Hi guys, welcome to the Fired Vlogs. Today I'm going to talk about pimples. At present, 70 to 80% of people face pimples issues. So mainly they get this during their adolescent age. Otherwise, pimple arises when you have dandruff, oily skin, or due to dust accumulation. Even adults get pimples. This can be the reason due to hormonal imbalance. Pimples causes lot of irritations and stress and also makes us less confident. Nowadays, it is a quite increasing issue among both girls and boys. So I'm going to say you guys one super simple, amazing home remedies that can treat pimples. So first, you must definitely drink 3 liters of water daily. It helps to flush out the toxins from your body. You can keep a reminder in your phone and can do this like to keep a certain interval of time period to drink water. Before I begin, I want to make sure that you must give equal importance, that is both internal and external care. So if you give 40% importance to your external care, you must give 60% importance for your internal health too. You must take green leafy vegetables at least twice a week. And then you must wash your face once you come home after traveling. You must always moisturize your face. You must not touch your face unnecessarily. The germs in your hand can cause pimples too. Never ever pluck your pimples. It can play a major role in spreading the pimples all over your face. Never ever forget to remove the makeup before you go to bed. Never wash your face with hot water. It can make your face dry and this can cause so many other skin problems. Now I'll say you guys about the home remedies. One best remedy is aloe vera. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin C and has cooling property. Just take a piece of aloe vera and scrape out their gel and apply it all over your face and leave it for 20 minutes and then wash it off with water. This can be done daily for best results. Then another remedy is neem face pack. So take some neem leaves and aloe vera gel and grind them to fine paste and apply it all over your face and wash it off once it's dried. Neem leaves has antibacterial property and helps to fight pimples. Apply it twice a week for better results. Another important note is if you have pimples, don't use soap. You can go for some antibacterial face washes like neem face wash, and I'll personally suggest Himalaya face wash, which I've been using for years and it has given me good results. Finally, I'm going to say you guys about a magic ingredient is apple cider vinegar. So apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties which has very important role in reducing pimples. Before we get into the procedure, I want to say you all a very important note. While applying it on your face, make sure you dilute it. Never you must use it directly because it is an acid and can burn your face. Okay, now I'll say different ways to dilute it. First, if you have a dry or sensitive skin, take 1 part of apple cider vinegar and 4 parts water and dilute it. If you have oily or normal skin, take 50% of water and 50% of apple cider vinegar. So once done, transfer this diluted apple cider vinegar to a spray bottle like this and then spray it into your face and massage it gently and keep them for 15 minutes and then wash them off. Make sure that you do not keep it in your face for more than 15 minutes. Another way is you can take this diluted apple cider vinegar in a bowl and then apply them into your pimples with the help of cotton. This is really a magic ingredient that very soon it will reduce the pimples. Please do try this at your home and then let me know the results. I'm not going to say you guys that this can give you super clear, amazing glass-like skin. No, never. This will somehow help you reduce the pimples to some extent. like my video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Divya 5 Vlogs. Bye.